guys, it's me, Emily, and on the Ice channel, and today we are going to do Make the Slime Prettier challenge. So you guys, in a different spot today, but this is my slime shelf, this one, and then I got another one down here. But I'm going to show you all my slime. So I have these, all these. Some of them are store-bought, not all of them. I have this one. I have that one right there. I think that might be all of them, but I don't know. But today I'm going to close my eyes and randomly pick. If I get a store-bought slime, I'm going to put it back and pick another one. So, this one. Okay, you guys. This is the one I got. So we're going to make it prettier. Okay, so I'm going to leave that right there, and I'm going to pick some ingredients. So I'm going to get some blue food dye. I'm going to get some coconut perfume. I'm going to let this sit a little bit and see if I can get some of that out before the video is over. I'm going to do about 3 slimes so far. I'm going to get this silver glitter. And I'm going to get this glow in the dark activator. So now I think it's, well, I'm going to get a bowl. I'm going to get this. I mean, it's probably not going to be enough, but I might, actually, I think I'm going to get some yellow food dye too. So I'm probably going to have these, half it, and then, you know. Yep, so I'm going to carry everything in there. Oh my goodness, you guys. Everything is falling. Okay. You know what? I am going to get this. Sorry if you hear things in the background. My grandmother and them's here. And my grandmother's on the phone. Let me sit you guys up. Okay. Oh my goodness. I always drop the camera, you guys. Okay. So I'm going to put all this little stuff in the bowl and stuff like that. Maybe I should put this one in here first. Put that. Okay, and I'm going to carry this. Put this in my arm. Put this in my arm. And carry the camera. That is so much better. Okay. Okay, my grandmother's about to leave. This is my grandmother, you guys.
Alright, I'm going to do dip and punch.
This is my grandmother, you guys.
Okay.
She's on the phone. And then this is my grandfather.
Right. Love you. Bye, Juan.
This is my grandfather.
Okay.
Bye, I love you.
Bye. Love you.
Okay. Love y'all. Bye.
Okay.
We're fixing to go, Juan. You're invited to Sam and Taylor's baby shower. It's the 22nd of February.
I'm going to go do this in the kitchen. Okay. Put this up like this. Okay, let's see. Would that be better? Okay, so I'm going to put this stuff over here. Ow, that hurt. Okay, whatever. I'm going to get this slime out. This one is a butter slime. Oh, yeah, you guys. I am also going to get some water. That's what I was going to do. I forgot to tell you guys. So now I'm going to half this. I'm going to do this. Okay. So, I'm going to half it. I'm going to put this half over here and get this half. First, we're going to start on the blue slime. We're going to start by doing the blue one. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some perfume. Okay. You guys. Okay. Got that. And I'm going to mix it in. And also there's some food dye in here. Okay, so it's kind of hard, but yeah. That's my mom, you guys. If you don't know. Okay. So now I'm going to add the like activator that has the glow in the dark stuff in it. If it makes it hard, I can add some more things that makes it less hard, but right now we're just gonna mix this in. I'm gonna get it to a soft consistency. Hopefully it gets it to a soft consistency. Ooh, foam. There was some foam in there in the sink. So I'm gonna mix that in. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, I literally tore a bubble off. Okay. Alright, it's kind of hard, but I'm gonna add some more of this. Okay. Mix this in and then I'll add the food dye and just whatever it does. Is it right there? That's it? Okay. Okay. So I'm not going to add much, just that. That'll probably do. Hopefully this mixes in good since the slime's kind of hard. I'm pretty sure it will though. I mean, oh yeah, this is a butter slime, you guys. Look how pretty that is. This is a butter slime, you guys, so if you was wondering why it was kind of hard in the beginning, it's because it's a butter slime. But also at the same time, it's hard besides it being a butter slime, so yeah. But I'll fix that later. So I'm going to kind of like let this slime sit. I'm going to put it right here and let that food dye kind of like sit in it. Since it's mixed in good enough. And I'm going to set this to the side and I'm going to get started with the yellow slime. So right here is the slime. I got some of the blue food dye in it. But that's okay because this might turn green anyway. So it ripped. Okay. But like I'm going to get this yellow food dye and add it. Okay, so get this. Okay. Next round, I might use paint instead of food dye. But I don't know what slime I'm going to get, so I don't know what I'm going to do. You guys, you probably see my brother in some of the videos, but not all of them. But here's my brother. Mama!
You walked into it.
Oh. My brother gets mad when he's in the videos, but
Quit talking about it.
okay. But you guys, we're mixing this in. This ain't really working out that well. So I think the best thing to do is just like put it back in the container, put glitter on it, and color juice. So I'm going to put this one at the bottom and kind of smash it down a little bit. And then put this one at the top and smash it. This does have like this yellow tint right here and like some blue streaks. So that's kind of pretty. I'm going to put this glitter at the top. Good. And then I'm going to add some perfume to make the glitter like stay in places that it's not staying in. So let me show you what you can do. You can add some perfume to a bowl. This is like the best thing to do. Add some perfume to a bowl. Add some glitter to that. mix it up just a little bit and pour it everywhere. And then like wherever you want that glitter to be, it'll stay there now. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for another video today because I was going to do 2 slimes in one video, but I decided that I'm not. So I love you guys so much. Make sure you like this video, comment down below if you like this video, and subscribe. Hit the ding-a-ling bell to become a part of the softball squad. And even though if you don't like softball, you can still become a part of the softball squad. Love you guys so much. Peace.